Welcome to the compound! What's up guys, we're back and the snowboarding trip is over. The videos turned out great, they're doing really well. I actually had my most viewed video now is one of the snowboarding videos, which is awesome. So I'm actually making a video today of going to the compound. I wanted to make a video about this for the longest time, I just never have gotten around to it. We basically call the compound this abandoned lawless wasteland, which was supposed to be a neighborhood in Palm Bay, but they didn't start construction and they kind of ran out of money, so it's just left with a bunch of paved roads. The drive's about an hour and a half from here. So then we're gonna meet up with everybody and then do some driving, some donuts, you know, fun stuff. I have the drone, I have the GoPro, I got the big camera. I'm ready to make a good video of the compound, better than anything I would have been able to do prior to this point. So I hope you're ready for that. Let's get driving. Alright, we made it to the compound. The top's down, the sun is shining, it's extremely hot outside for December. Adam is going through some grass. So I'm about to put the drone up, I think. At some point the drone's going up. Let's just get into it. Let's start the edit at the compound. Here it is. Hope you enjoy. This is gonna be cool.
Yeah, what a risk, it'll make you blind. Yeah, I could drive, yeah, driving fast now. Do the dash, yeah, digi dash now. And I'm balling, yeah, I like his last now. And I'm balling, yeah, I like his last now. Yeah, I could drive, yeah, driving fast now. Yeah, do the dash, yeah, digi dash now.
This guy just pulled up and said he's seen my YouTube channel before. I tend to doubt that, but that'd be a first. We pulled over in this dirt lot. I'm about to get some more drone shots of some random going on. This is gonna be a good one.
Look me in my eyes and lie to me. Act like I believe anything. Sex on the beach and in the backseat. This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us. Could be us.
Alright, so it just got loud again, but for a second there it got a little peaceful because everybody left. But I'm actually headed to the track right now, the place where everybody goes and does laps. Adam's already there and I just had to pack up a bunch of camera stuff as usual. So now I'm headed over there and I'll put on some GoPro telemetry data so we can see exactly how fast I'm going around the track. And I think that'll be cool. So, see you on that part. Initiate GoPro telemetry data. So I'm chilling in the back of Adam's wagon right now, letting the car cool off. The Swaggin' wagon. We're at the track. It's really nice. This time someone mowed this recently, so I don't know who did that, but shout out to you. This day's been really good, I'd say. I don't know how Adam's feeling. You think it's a good day? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I think we brought a little less water than we should have, and other than that, maybe some ice would be nice. Because it is so hot. I don't know why it was this hot in December, but it's cooling off now because the sun's going down. Bina has been requesting many donuts, and now my tires are extremely toasted.
Hey vlog, let's get lit.
Pour it out for David the Dirt Boy who couldn't make it out today.
I'm gonna drive away.
Woohoo! See, the problem is I want to do too much stuff. I want to be the one driving, but I also want to be the one recording and making the videos, and I just can't do all of that at the same time. Because right now, if I had it my way, somebody would be driving their car and I'd be filming them, and it'd be a really cool shot if the car was right there. I could get it all low and stuff, but since there's only one more car and it's mine, that shot's just not gonna happen today. The sunsets out here are really nice. Every time we've been here, we stay till sunset. I don't know if that's gonna happen today, but the past 2 times the sunsets have been 10 out of 10. The myth, the legend, my Miata being guarded by a troll. She's never gonna know I said that unless she watches the vlog. Adam's having a great time out here with the beer can and the hockey stick that he uses as his hood prop. I told him he needed to have a second one in there, even though he only needs one for propping up his hood, because right now would be an excellent time to have a game of beer can hockey. Note, not our beer can, it was left here. Go armadillo, go. He's really getting close to me. He's gonna attack. Oh man, he's really close. Oh my. Oh. Did you just saw my foot and just took off? Why did he just come up to me and like look at my shoe and leave?
Maybe he thought you were a beetle or a worm.
Adam's getting impatient, but we just got it back in our cars. We're gonna go find a good place to watch the sunset, and we have about 20 minutes to do so. Got the GoPro set up, and Adam's really mad. I'll see you when you get over there. Trying to get some shots with the sunset. This is the same place we come basically every time we're here to look at the sunset. I've said sunset about 3 times in the past 3 sentences. So I'm gonna keep going and talk about the sunset some more. It's a really cool spot. A bunch of people shoot guns and stuff over here, so all this is like ammunition, but it's clear, and then you have a good place for the sun to set over there. Now Adam's being very needy and making me move my car so we can get a solo shot because he doesn't want my car making his car look bad. Some basic tips if you're coming to the compound. 1, you never want to come alone. It's way too big of a place to be alone. You definitely want a partner, a co-pilot, someone to be with to help you if you get stuck or any bad situation. You definitely want a phone. You'll get lost out here. There are unmarked roads that go every direction. You definitely want to bring water. Lots of water, lots of ice in your water. Snacks are a good thing. I didn't bring any snacks this time, but it depends how long you want to be out here. Always want to bring that. Interrupt this to I'm gonna back into my spot to take a picture. Now I'm gonna take some pictures of my car and get back to the tips in a second. Really the most important thing is that the compound, there's no street signs of any kind. So there's no labels, no yields, no stop signs, no any form of traffic control. When you're going through intersections, they're completely unlabeled, which means if somebody's going through the intersection at the same time and they're not paying attention, you're gonna crash. Now, luckily the compound isn't that popular of a place to go, so there's not people driving around constantly on the roads. Towards the beginning of the day and the end of the day, you need to be extra careful. You need to be extra careful going through intersections. Usually what I do is I honk my horn, I slow down and make sure I can see both ways before going through. Now we're getting back on the road. I'll see you at dinner or whenever we link up. That concludes the compound. See you at home. Chick-fil-A sandwich. Chick-fil-A sandwich. 4 count strips. We stopped at Chick-fil-A. It's not too far away from the compound, so it's still quite the drive home. Commence the eating time lapse right now. Okay, we finished Chick-fil-A, stopped at Wawa to pump up the tires because Adam needed a little air in his front. Now I'm gonna put the camera away and make the hour drive back home. I'll see you when you get there. Good luck, Charlie. I am the superior driver. I made it here first. How do you like this light? Got it, and it turns colors. Okay, Google, make the light red.
You got it. Changing the light to red.
Magical stuff going on here. I'm gonna end it in this spooky red lighting. Thanks for watching the video. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I recorded some. I don't feel like I recorded that much, but I definitely got a lot of drone footage. I know that. So I'll try to make something with that. I hope whatever I did looks good, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Carl's made it back in one piece. Always thankful for that. Adam's over here.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
With the usual message. I think that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching again. Said that like 3 times already, but I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Insert unique message for the end of the video here.